Welcome. This is Explain that in this how to make your transparent text and Capcut. So open up your Capcut and import any random images that you can into your timeline. So just like this, and scale it down. Then tap on the canvas. Make sure it's enabled. Then tap on color from the drop down menu. Make sure it's black. So after that, you just get it away from the screen. And after that, just add a default text and do whatever you want that you have into your transparent text for the later video. So scale it up for more emphasis. After that, select those two and then tap right click and then create a compound clip on it. So just drag it on top and then tap right after that, just drag down the clip that you want to enable on. And after that, just go to the second clip on top and then go to the blend. Make sure it's already darkened or any other options that works best for you into making it a transparent text behind the video. So after that, just export the video when you're done, and that's about it.